Hi, my name is Tengku Nur Ainur Alfa binti Tengku Muhammad Nazri. My matrix number is 24 DAM 22F 1037 and my class is DAM 5A.
Hi, my name is Shama Puja Chandra. My matrix number is 24 DAM 22F2004 and my class is DAM 5A.
Hello, my name is Nur Alif Shuhada binti Sharizal and my matrix number is 24 DAM 22F 2005 and I'm going to show you guys how the projects will be function.
For our final year project, we did a project based on dishwasher, which is smart Aero tool cleansing device.
The product we did can wash and dry the aviation tools.
Background of study aims to develop a smart device specifically designed to automatically and efficiently clean aerospace tools. The problem statement is tools that are used are left dirty, manual methods are time-consuming, inefficient, and inconsistent. Workers who handle chemicals and sharp objects face health and safety risks.
Next is product objective. We have 3 product objectives, which is number 1, to design an automated cleaning system. Number 2, to develop a time efficiency cleaning system. Number 3, to enhance workplace safety by designing a hands-free system. Next, we have product operation. First, we insert the tools and then push the on button to start the washing and drying process. But first, washing process happen and followed by drying process. If an emergency happen, just push the emergency stop button and all the drying and washing process will stop immediately. If want to continue the process, just push the on button again and the process will continue smoothly.
For the product description, at the backward, in the middle there is an exhaust fan aids in moisture removal and alongside as a drying function. The base built with a lightweight and clear material which is an acrylic. There is an inlet at the back of the base it for the water and detergent supply. The system is powered by an Arduino Uno that automating the cleaning and drying process of the tools for consistent performance. We have used Arduino Uno R3. This is called brushless water pump. There is 2 brushless water pump, one for water, another one for detergent. Last but not least, we have an outlet with a socket for the drainage of the dirt water and dirt detergent.